Vami, do you know what a verb is?
Of course. Yes, I know.
Can you explain?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Explain please. Yes, I am.
A verb is a word that expresses action, occurrence, or state of being. Verbs are an essential part of language, as they convey what is happening, has happened, or will happen in a sentence or text. Types of verbs. Point 1. Asterisk action verbs. Asterisk describe physical or mental actions, such as run, think, read. 2. Asterisk linking verbs. Asterisk connect the subject to additional information, such as be, seem, appear. 3. Asterisk helping verbs. Asterisk also known as auxiliary verbs, they assist main verbs in expressing tense, mood, or voice, such as will, would, shall. 4. Asterisk transitive verbs. Asterisk take an object directly, such as throw, buy, eat. 5. Asterisk intransitive verbs. Asterisk do not take an object directly, such as sleep, laugh, cry. 6. Asterisk regular verbs. Asterisk follow a predictable pattern when forming the past tense and past participle, such as walk, talk, listen. 7. Asterisk irregular verbs. Asterisk do not follow a predictable pattern when forming the past tense and past participle, such as go, take, be. Functions of verbs. 1. Asterisk express action. Asterisk verbs describe what is happening, has happened, or will happen in a sentence or text. 2. Asterisk indicate tense. Asterisk verbs convey the time frame in which the action takes place, such as past, present, or future. 3. Asterisk show mood. Asterisk verbs can express the speaker's attitude or emotion, such as indicative, imperative, or subjunctive. 4. Asterisk establish voice. Asterisk verbs can be in the active or passive voice, which affects the sentence's structure and emphasis. Examples of verbs. 1. Action verb, she is running down the street. Here, running describes the physical action. 2. Linking verb, he seems happy today. Here, seems connects the subject to the additional information. 3. Helping verb, I will attend the meeting tomorrow. Here, will assists the main verb attend in expressing the future tense. 4. Transitive verb, she threw the ball to her friend. Here, threw takes the object ball directly. 5. Intransitive verb, he laughed at the joke. Here, laughed does not take an object directly. Number. In summary, verbs are words that express action, occurrence, or state of being, and they play a crucial role in conveying meaning and context in language.
Thank you very much.
Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.